Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is your guy JLF Stacey here. I'm gonna be reacting more of that train DVD. So last time, for those that just tuning in, I took care of the next episode of my Skype series. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And I also took care of part 1 of my Minecraft series. And some spider jump scared the hell out of me. Oh no. And I forgot to mention in the video, if I get 40 views on that video, I will do part 5. If I get 40 views on this video, I'll do part 5. That's the deal. And I also took care of DVD, and lastly, not that one. And I took care of the first August vlog. First vlog of August, so I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Then I want to talk about in today's vlog, but moving on. But today we're going to react to more of that DVD. We're at 20 minutes into the DVD, so I don't know what's next. If I can see here, it's gonna be, I can hear my own voice. Okay, now we got that sorted, let's move on. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna have more of this, it looks like we're gonna go into some magazine things, I don't know, let's find out. That Thomas and I might be available music. Interesting. I like the wall. It's so spotty like a giraffe. It's a good wall. Photography. Steam. Or doing have books in different categories. Upper Braden. What's who? Oh, that. So it's gonna be like how to do a model set. Oh, behind the scenes. Alright. March. So this DVD came out in March. Okay. What chain is that in the picture? This train right here. Large films. He said about them coming in on a Saturday afternoon. Actually, a thought came in just as soon as he said that. Like, if it was like a club, a Saturday afternoon, like a club that you go on a Saturday afternoon, where it'll be something doing related with Thomas, like a Saturday afternoon Thomas the Tank Engine Club. That sounds like a good idea, doesn't it? Yeah, let's continue. We're nearly at the end of this DVD. Gotta have full concentration. Why should you join the club? Oh god, oh my god, oh my god. Percy! 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 Yes! Oh yes! Oh, Percy! Oh, please mention something to do with Thomas, please. Alright. Alright. Okay. So it's supposed to be Luke. Mm-hmm. Your own library, okay. Oh my god, that is a lot. It's in different categories as well. Oh, right. Who is that? Huh? Ah. Oh. See you later. Oh. Oh. Do you have to do that, really? Nine PM, guys. So, World War II, so kind of. Right, that's a good amount of people. Oh, seriously? That's so unnecessary. Why do you paint that? Oh no, wait a minute. Why does that guy look like Nico from Grand Theft Auto? I've not played any Grand Theft Auto games, I've just seen the character in the game. He looks a lot like Nico, doesn't he? What the hell? I know, wait. Another then. It looks like bit of like either the Reverend W. Audrey or the Christopher Audrey. You know, a little less older, if you know what I mean. No, that's just me. Who's that? Is that Arthur? Wait a minute. That reminds me a lot of the episode Thomas Goes to Breakfast. Such a classic episode. You know, the fact where on the house, Thomas would just go straight and go crash into that. Reminds me of Thomas Goes to Breakfast. So there's more in this DVD. So this is a TV series. Presenter Howard Smith. It's gonna fast forward a bit. Just watch those trains so bad. October 2016. That's a long wait. So is there like more on this DVD? Extras. Actually, we'll look at them. We'll look at them in the next video. For now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below. And that was actually, we're nearly at the end of this DVD. Just gonna look at the extras and we're done. We'll have to move on to the other DVDs that I got. If you guys enjoyed, leave a link to these 4 videos in the description. Make sure you go to my subscription page. Subscribe to the people you see on the screen. And you'll find GLS Reacts. Make sure you subscribe to that. Or if you're on phones, tablets, iPad, click the link in the description. This is GLS signing out, and don't forget to speak to Sandwich. Cheerios.